WWE Smack Attack. Slam Attack. Slam Attack Live. Anyway, here we go. Australia, Big W, that's right. Jacob Stipe, the WWE card collector, back again. This time, opening them all. I can't believe it. That one? I can't believe it. Look at that. I really wanted that. I really wanted that card. Right. Oh god, this one? Look at that. Yeah, legend. Legendary. Awesome. Right. I'll check it out. Check it out. NXT baby. Yeah. Right. Oh, look, this one. Wow. Raw baby. Raw. Right, next one. Oh my god, it's NXT again. This is freaking awesome. Right. Look at that. Smackdown baby. Look at that one. That is awesome. That is sick. Right, that's awesome. Right, this one. Oh yeah. Legendary. Legend. Right, this one. NXT baby. Right. Oh my god. Yes, Raw baby. Raw. Right. 25 year of Raw baby. That is awesome. Awesome. So opening this one now. Thank you for tuning in. It's Jacob Stipe, the WWE card collector. Got them all from Big W. Don't break the fuck. Whoops. There we go. Look at that. Smackdown baby. Right. Here we go. Legend! Another one. Probably a double. I'm going to return the bloody doubles. Oh, look at that one. Fuck yeah. NXT. Fuck, that looks good. Oh yeah. Raw. Raw baby. Yeah, Raw. Whatever. Awesome. Here we go. It's NXT. That's 3 packs. Fucking $6 worth at Big W. Gone. Okay, so let's start the WWE card collector. I wonder how many doubles I'll get. Probably get a shitload. Right. Look at this. Raw 25. This is fucking awesome. 5-star. Oh yeah. Awesome. My favourite. Right. Raw. Look at this. This is fucking awesome. Raw. Right. NXT. Oh yeah. NXT. My favourite. Right. Oh, here we go. Legends. I like the legends. Awesome. That's freaking awesome. Nice. Awesome. Right. SmackDown. Yeah. Smacked. How could I? And I totally bought a whole heap. So thanks for tuning in. And look at this. SmackDown, baby. That is freaking awesome. Yeah. What's next? Legends! Shit, I've got a lot of legends. Awesome. Awesome. Oh my god, NXT. I love NXT, do I? I don't know. I do like Slam Attack Live cards for $6 each at Big W in Australia. Oh, I can't believe it. Raw. Raw, baby. And this one. 2 Raws? You guys are kidding me. That's fucking awesome. 2 Raws. Yeah. Raw. Open this one. Right. Here we go. So, Raw 2025. Look at that. That is awesome. That's probably a repeat. I've probably got that. That's a double. I don't know. Right. Raw? Shit, there's a lot of Raws. Probably a double. I'll tell you what's rare. I don't know. Oh, 205! That's rare. Haven't seen that one yet. Or have I? Yeah, 205 is very rare. Probably a repeat. Probably a double. A Legends, there's a lot of Legends. Yeah, a lot of Legends. Legends. Right, and that's it. Smackdown. That's awesome.